as y'all can see, I made it into Pennsylvania. Yesterday I couldn't come up here because they had all the roads closed. Right now we in traffic because the left lane is blocked. I don't know what reason. So this is what Pennsylvania looked like. I don't know. Woo! Oh shit. Either this coming from the mountains or what? Must be coming from the mountains or it might still be snowing. I don't know. I have no freaking clue. Here. Right now I'm driving 50 miles per hour. Whoever don't like it can kiss my ass. As long as I'm safe, I'm good. In these kind of conditions, fuck what everybody else say. You drive the way that you want to. If you want to drive slow, drive slow. If you want to go ahead and haul ass, be a super trucker, that's all on you. If you want to pull over and call it a damn day, hey, safest way to go. I'm glad I'm only like 58 miles from the place I gotta go to, which is an hour. And once when I get there, I'm shutting down for the day and everything else, cause I ain't trying to shut down now and be at this for at nighttime. Hell the fuck no. And he wanted me to come here at 1 o'clock in the morning. Bitch, please. He done lost his motherfucking marbles. Child. Hell no. I can't drive this at night. I don't know who in the hell can, but hey, have at it. My ass, no. Y'all see how much that snow pile is? That's inches of snow. As short as I am, that's probably up to my daggone calf. The top of my calves. Hell no. I'd be damned. I know y'all can't hardly see. Let me brush this off. But yeah. This is the kind of conditions I am in right now. And another thing, while you're driving, don't hit the brake real fast. Don't do that. Tap on it to slow yourself down, or get off the accelerator and slow yourself down. Because you don't want to jackknife and kill yourself or anybody else. You don't want to do that. Just tap on it for a little bit until you get to a certain speed that you want to get to. But don't press real hard because you might end up sliding. Oh, Lord. So, it's a whiteout right now. What the fuck? Slow my ass all the way down. I see y'all in a bit. Let me concentrate. Hey y'all see this? It's snowing again out here. I had to pull over to clean my damn windshield wipers so I can see. Like, in a snowplow, I seen him at another exit. He just sitting his ass there. He could be snowplowing this damn road. Like, seriously. My windshield wipers are getting back to what they were. There's a police officer up here. Only 28 miles from where I need to be. That's good.
Continue on this road for a while.
I don't know if this... No, this is not a police officer. This is a safety guy. No, this is a police officer. I think they about to shut down these roads again. Please don't do this to me. My truck is not going. Oh my God. No, no. My truck is not going. Oh my God. What the fuck? My truck. What the fuck is going on? It just stopped in the middle. Somebody's gonna run into me. What the fuck is going on? So y'all see my ass get stuck on the fucking highway. This snow is crazy. The snow plows are just sitting on the side of the road, not plowing this damn snow. I don't get it. Why they're not out here plowing the damn snow so I won't get stuck or anybody else get stuck. Not getting it, but okay. Oh, I can't wait to get fucked. Like, he should have sent my ass to Florida. He should have sent my ass to Florida. This shit is crazy. I'm 24 miles away from the place I gotta go to. I'm going all the way the fuck there. They say, ma'am, you can't stay here. I'm like, look, motherfuckers. I just got stuck in the snow. The roads are horrible. So I will pull somewhere where I ain't in nobody's way until a certain time for me to go in. Walmart's that type where you can't just sit there and wait. No, you gotta call there when it's time is due. I'm not driving this shit at night. No, no, sorry. Nope, 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 nope. I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do when it's time to leave. I'm not coming out here at night. So I'll park somewhere around the corner. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. This day is I don't know. I'll see y'all soon. I know I keep saying that, but I know what the fuck. So I'm here at the Walmart. Let me clear the... Whew, I'm glad they accept 2-hour appointment times, because, child, shit. I ain't coming here at night, as y'all see these damn roads. Hell the fuck no, they done lost their damn marbles. What's gonna happen? Whew, shit. But yeah, I'm here. Y'all wanna see the perimeter. See, snow all over the damn place. See the windows for y'all. Yep, snow all over the place. It's still fucking snowing. Like, bitch, hurry up and get me the fuck up out of here. I hate snow. Love rain. Hate snow. Oh my goodness. But yeah. I don't know what to do for nighttime, cause I just hope they keep me overtime. Tell my ass to leave at 5 o'clock in the morning. That way I'll be alright. But I don't know. I just don't know. I seen one guy, he was spinning in the damn on the road somewhere. Coming up here. He was spinning. He almost lost control. I'm glad he didn't, because I ain't feel like seeing all that. But yeah. My ear. It's starting to hurt. Keep this fucking truck running. Keep this heat on. Because they can say all they want. Don't idle the truck. Bitch, you lying. But I might end it here, because I ain't got nothing else to show y'all or say. I'll let y'all know where I stop at for the night and everything else. So this shit, I can't even go that way. I got it piled up for snow. Lord, Walmart ain't even got their shit together. Oh my goodness. Lord help me. Yeah, they got piles and piles of snow. Piles on piles, piles on piles of snow. Look at that. This is crazy. It's part of trucking. This shit, how the snow is plowing up. Oh my God. I don't know if y'all can really see it. But yeah, that snow is plowing up on these damn trailers and building. I think I can really see it that way. What the fuck? Oh, shit. It is 9:17. I got here at fucking 5 something. Yeah, 5 something. And it's 9 o'clock. Yeah. They crazy. I see this shit. Look at that. Look. Look. Y'all hold on for a second. But yeah, y'all see this shit? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yep. Hold on. But yeah, y'all see all that? They crazy up in this bitch.